So, hi everyone. My name is Ava. I am your facilitator for today. So, you're probably watching this video because gusto nyo magnegosyo, gusto nyo kumita, and yes, you've come to the right place. So today we'll discuss about choppers, only wings, and fried chicken. Hold on. Yep. So here's our founder and president, Rodel Tirso Musa. So, just a little background about Choppers. They started last June 2023. So, they're turning 1 year this June. Now, yes, we are open for franchise. And here are our products. As you can see, walang tapon sa parte ng manok. We have the crispy isaw, chicken skin, crispy egg, chicken balls, meron tayong chicken chips, of course, yung traditional fried chicken. We have flavored shots. We also have wings. And of course, yung favorite ko, yung thigh and leg parts ng chicken. Here are the traditional fried chicken. Of course, iba't ibang parts yan. But the most favorite, ang favorite ng madla ay ang thigh part and leg part. Kasi yan yung masarap. And chicken skin, chicken shots, uh, chicken fillet. We also have flavored shots, flavored parts. We also have, of course, the flavored wings since we are offering only wings in our menu. The flavors are garlic parmesan, cheesy bacon, salted egg, teriyaki, hickory barbecue, sweet and spicy, mango habanero, which is my personal fave, buffalo, lemon glazed, orange chicken, soy garlic, and honey garlic. Uh, they are available via single order and unlimited order. Of course, we also offer again our signature chicken chips, salted egg chicken chips, the traditional chicken rice menu, of course, yung one-piece chicken, two-piece chicken, uh, chicken fillet, and then yung shots. Of course, pulutan for everyone, crispy egg, which is again my personal favorite. I'm not sure why, hindi ko sure kung ako lang din. Favorite ko to iulam, yung crispy egg. Hindi ko sure kung bakit, pero sobrang sarap niya kasi na parang sobrang sobrang malasa siya kahit wala ka halos makain na laman. Pero yung balat, grabe. Yummy. Gusto ko tuloy. uh, chicken skin, chicken balls, and crispy isaw. Masarap yan. Partnered with our pinakurat o yung suka. Here's the main branch. Ang main branch natin ay located sa Pure Gold Show Boulevard sa Mandaluyong. So if you have the time, you can visit. Here's the franchise package, 299,000 plus construction. That includes the franchise fee, complete inventory, equipment and utensils, use of trade name and logo, use of POS system or the software itself, branch mock-up design, comprehensive training for both staff and management, ads and marketing support, and operations guidance. So again, we are offering comprehensive support even before matayo yung branch ninyo and even after matayo yung branch while tumatakbo ang negosyo. And here's the sample. Here is the fried chicken costing per piece. So, sa isang parte ng manok o sa isang kilo ng manok, nakakagawa tayo ng 11 orders. Kasi sa isang chicken, sa isang whole chicken, merong 22 pieces na magagawa. Okay? So, kung i-compute natin, papatak na 22 pesos and 72 cents ang isang parte ng manok. Okay? Ang cost ng breading mix natin ay 400 pesos per pack. So, sa isang breading mix o sa isang pack, um, kaya niya i-coat ang 15 kilos of chicken. So, papatak na 1 peso and 21 cents lang per piece or per part ng manok yung cost ng breading mix. So, sa cooking cost, average cooking cost per piece of chicken is 50 cents. That's oil, gas, or electricity. Okay? Sa gravy naman, that's 400 pesos per pack din. Sa isang pack ng gravy, makakapag-serve tayo sa 200 pieces na orders or 200 pieces na chicken. So, 5 ml per piece. So, papatak na 2 pesos. So, ang total cost ng chicken natin per piece is 26 pesos and 43 cents. Now, ang cost ng a la carte order natin, okay? Or yung one-piece chicken order, ang cost ng fried chicken, sabi ko nga kanina, is 26 pesos and 43 cents. Ang cost ng kanin, isang cup ng rice, is 4 pesos. If with fries, kasi of course, laging may upgrade, 120 pesos per kilo yan. So, 6 pesos per serving yan papatak. Utensils, papatak na 1 pesos and 50 cents. So, ang total cost per serving natin is 37 pesos and 93 cents. Okay? Here's the pricing and profitability based on the traditional fried chicken order. So, selling price natin is 79 pesos sa one-piece chicken. So, kung naalala nyo, ang costing natin is 37 pesos and 93 cents. So, ang tubo natin sa isang order ng one-piece chicken ay 41 pesos and 7 cents. Okay? Sa two-piece naman, times 2 lang, ang tubo natin is 54 pesos and 64 cents. Sa 6 pieces naman, or isang bucket, that's 176 pesos and 42 cents na tubo. Now, ito yung projected operational expenses natin o yung palabas na pera. Okay? Rental sa suburban areas, nag-average yan ng 10,000 pesos per month. Salary, kung dalawang tao, 450 pesos times 2, syempre yung cashier, tapos yung magsaserve, tapos sa kitchen. So that's 27,000 pesos per month. Utilities, we have electricity, water, and internet, 6,000 pesos per month. Other expenses, 2,000 pesos. See, other expenses, parang ano to, uh, emergency savings. Like, for example, naubusan ng tissue for this day. So, may madudukot ka. Naubusan ng utensils, may madudukot ka. Naubusan ng gravy cup, may madudukot ka. So, nilagay natin yan dyan. So, ang total na expenses is 45,000 pesos per month. Now, here's our sample projected profit. So, chicken selling price sa one piece is 79 pesos. So, kung merong 50 customers per day na order ng one piece chicken, meron kang 2,053 and 50 cents. Okay? Ngayon, kung sa, syempre, kung may additional na drinks, lagi naman yan, may markup lang tayo dito na 15 pesos per drink. So, that's 300 pesos. So, ang total profit mo per day is 2,353 pesos and 50 cents sa one-piece chicken. Sa two-piece chicken naman, sa 30 customers, meron kang 1,939 pesos and 20 cents na profit per day. Sa 6-piece chicken, which is yung bucket, kung meron kang 4 customers, meron kang kita na 1,005.68 in a day. Now, syempre, in a month, that's times 30 days. So, sa one piece chicken, meron kang 70,000 pesos. 70,605 pesos. Sa two-piece chicken, meron kang 58,176 pesos. Sa six-piece chicken, meron kang 30,170 pesos. So, kung i-compute natin siya, i-deduct natin yung ating expenses. Yung kanina, yung palabas na pera, ito, operational expense. Meron kang 158,951 pesos na branch profit in a month. Tapos yung overhead natin or yung operational expenses, it's 45,000 pesos. So total net income mo is 113,951 pesos. 40 cents and 40 cents. Okay? So yan yung total net income mo sa isang branch in a day. So again, this is just an estimate at kasama ang drinks dito. Doable ba? Kung tatanungin niyo ako, yes, doable. Kasi, um, itong projected profit na to ay based sa ating main branch, which is yung sa um, Shaw Boulevard, Pure Gold Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong. So, hindi naman basta-basta tayo dumukot ng numbers dyan. So, binase to doon sa ating main branch. So, franchise package, that's 299,000 pesos. Plus, of course, the construction itself. Ang inclusions nito ay ang franchise fee, complete inventory, equipment and utensils, use of trade name and logo, use of POS system software, branch mock-up design, comprehensive training, ads and marketing support, and operations guidance. So, before construction ng franchise mo or before pa yung pagpapatayo ng franchise mo, may support na kami. Lalo na kapag nag-start na yung branch mo. Again, ang goal is matulungan kayo all throughout your franchise journey. Okay? So again, these are the inclusions. And then we do have a promo franchise package right now, which is limited to 20 slots. The franchise package costs 99,000 pesos with food cart. Kung nakikita nyo yung food cart sa picture, ganyan din yung food cart na marireceive ninyo kasama to sa franchise package. That includes the franchise fee, the food cart, complete inventory, equipment and utensils, use of trade name and logo, use of POS system software, comprehensive training, ads and marketing support, and operations guidance. Anong pinagkaiba dun sa kanina? Ang pinagkaiba is, itong si franchise package na nakikita nyo naman, mas malaki yung store na to. Right? That includes yung meron tong parang a dining area. Okay? That's why meron pang construction, of course, the labor, the materials, etc. While yung promotional package natin or promotional franchise package natin right now is a food cart lang, which is very ready to operate anytime and anywhere. Right? So, gawa na si food cart, itatayo mo kung saan mo gustong itayo, then, ready to operate ka na, agad-agad. So, that's the promotional package right now. So, bakit limited to 20 slots lang? The reason why kami nagpa-franchise is that we wanted to help yung mga taong gustong kumita yung ayaw matenga yung savings nila right now. Like, kung yung pera mo nasa bangko, magkano ang tubo sa bangko or interest rate ni bangko? Like 2% in a year. So, parang wala lang din. Kasi meron ka pang deduction kapag nag-withdraw ka sa ibang bank, nag-withdraw ka or nag-transfer ka from your online banking to another bank, pag nagbayad ka ng bills through online banking. So, technically, wala ka halos tinutubo pag yung pera mo naka-save lang sa bangko. Unlike when you do have a business, yung pera mo nag-roll, tumutubo, hindi siya natutulog, hindi siya nakatenga lang. May pinupuntahan yung pera mo at nakikita mo mismo. Right? So that's the difference. So that's the reason why we opened the franchise program is to help those people who wanted to start their business, right? And yep. So this is the promotional franchise package and I hope you guys will take advantage of it kasi sobra-sobrang sulit, right? So very ready to go and very ready to operate na si uh food cart ninyo. Kayo na lang ang hinihintay, right? So how to franchise? Of course, number one is to book a one-on-one call, contract signing and payment, and then training and opening. So ganun lang kasimple, guys. So ano pa hinihintay ninyo? Send us a message sa aming Facebook page and then we'll be more than happy to set up your very own choppers business. So if you do have questions, just send us a message and we'll be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. Again, I'll wait for your messages. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.